Handsome Simon was there to help me with my project. Now, it's time to return the favor.
You can drop it.
Drop it?
Yeah, it's nice and slow.
It's good work, like. Can't get anything done.
Here. And then I think you gotta do this section of the downpipe. Oh, let's break a bar.
Ready? Let's just give it a shot.
Don't smash my pinch welds. Feels like it's gonna break. Oh. Yep, just like that. Do you have a 3/8 breaker? Watch and learn.
Alright, here you go, buddy. Here. What?
Doesn't feel good. Yeah, this one broke too. What the fuck? Yeah, this thing's gonna be fucking loud when it leaves here.
Oh, so all you've done is remove the exhaust so far.
And the back bar.
The sway bar?
Nah, whatever this bar is. This is probably some very old fluids.
You start blasting.
Oh! Yeah!
You do.
Oh! Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Ow! Oh!
The underneath of this car smells so bad.
It kind of smells like you. Can you see where I'm from up there? Can you get that on there?
Sure. Can you stop banging it everywhere?
Shut up. Just touch the tip.
Oh, yeah, give it to me.
Yeah, touch that. Grab it. Wait, need breaker. Breaker.
No rust. But it smells terrible.
I don't know if
It's like
It does kind of smell like BO.
It's like cat piss and BO.
sucks. Ow!
I missed the money shot.
Idiot.
Work at a college history school.
There's one here. Oh, I can get this one out.
Yeah.
I'm about to give it the beans.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh! That didn't sound.
Did it do it? Is that it?
Yeah, I got it. I can get the rest.
Look at this extension. That might be it.
Alright, now it's the PPF.
Left?
There's a speed sensor. Is this neutral? That doesn't look like neutral.
The neutral? It could be reverse. I'm not gonna help at all. I'm just recording. You've pretty much single-handedly carried 2 of my motors. You hold it for a second.
Oh my god,
You got all the way again. Motors, so I think you're capable.
I thought that there was another connector. Oh, found it. Is there a clutch? There must be a clutch.
Yeah, there is.
There we go. Yeah, that would have sucked.
I'm looking for separation there. Oh.
I might be able to do it with hand. I think that PPF needs to go farther. Oh! Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
PPF
Such a big, strong man.
It's gotta be dang.
What is that noise?
Oh, it's the shifter.
Yeah, move yourself forward.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
It's still on my deck.
How are we gonna get this back in there?
We'll do it.
Stinks. It's offensive.
There we go. That's it. Oh, lost a cross. And then
Leave it right there.
Now we celebrate with some za. I thought it was that it was. Holy shit.
These babies are probably pretty tight. Right? Oh, Jesus. Oh.
You're not gonna do it?
No. Nope. I woke up in the middle of the night and I like jerked my neck. And
Are
I was.
you sure that's what you jerked?
Yeah, well, that one's being a real pain in my ass. Oh yeah, didn't shit for like 5 days. And then I shit. Man, did I shit.
You would think you would shit.
Then you'd shit yourself while sleeping.
Oh.
Which is always fun. I've done that too.
You're not burning clutch, you're burning oil.
Oil, yeah, probably actually. Flats, like square on my back, and I shit my pants. D something?
Finishing shot.
Ow! Oh. You really greased.
It smells like fucking puke.
Where?
Under your goddamn car.
I don't smell it anymore.
Hey, how's that look?
Looks like a rear main seal to me.
Smells like ass down here.
Yeah, it's your car.
You didn't graduate with over a 3?
No.
Me either. Dad will do you this stuff. Torque?
Torque wrench?
Yeah,
Yeah, what does it need to be set to?
75.
How dumb do you think I am?
I always forget.
Do you really want me to answer that? Here, shift gears. shift this, buddy. Put my willy up through there. Fuck! Ugh.
Thanks, Mickey. I just love this. No, I like it.
Mr. Car Passion Channel told me no.
Yeah, 1112, whatever.
Yeah, skip one, skip 2.
Bolted to a piece of cardboard.
There's a sticker that says Flywheel
Yep,
side, so we're good, right?
yep.
That's it.
Yep.
17 foot-pounds, buddy.
17 pounds.
Loctite red.
Shit. Like $15. I couldn't even find them at Walmart.
My dad looked into getting brake cleaner like in.
They both start with G's. Your head facing the hood.
You want to lift it off?
Yeah. Are you gonna want to put your Crocs in 4-wheel drive?
Yeah, just what
Here, I'll help.
Thanks. I need little wheels for my ass.
Alright, get your nuts under. Yeah.
Okay. It's on my dick now.
Sorry, you can handle it.
Sorry if my finger goes up your ass. I'm trying to push this back.
It's not like that heavy, but it is when it's on your straight on your splitting the head of your winky.
It's a heavy crowd on your head. Yep.
Okay.
Is that it?
Am I going the right way?
So we just need to torque down the bolts on the transmission and the clutch install is complete. Next time, we start to do the exciting stuff. But until then, thanks for watching.